Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Unarc.dll returned an error code 1 in Windows. Type dll-files.com in browser search bar. Type isdone.dll in search bar. Click download. Type Unarc.dll in DLL search bar. Click download. Extract both zip files. Copy both DLL files. Open this PC, C drive. Windows, System 32 folder. Paste already copied both DLL files. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type reg svr32.exe space isdone.dll. Type reg svr32.exe space isdone.arc.dll. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.